Hi, this is Yasser Zayni from Signifier Medical Technologies. In this video clip, I will explain why you need to replace your mouthpiece every 90 days. The eXciteOSA mouthpiece is manufactured out of medical grade silicon, and like all medical devices, it was tested to the requirements of international standards of biocompatibility, aging tests, and so on. Working with our regulators in the US and in the EU, it was determined that the mouthpiece cannot be used beyond 90 days. Therefore, we deactivate the mouthpiece after 90 days to ensure that the mouthpiece performs at optimal levels and for your safety. If you have any questions or if you have any concerns, please contact us via the in-app chat on the homepage or call us. Thank you for watching.